Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TAWNF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very savage day on this one. Things were looking so encouraging on Thursday, and then just like that, everything got turned around today with the gap down. Now, there is a to look at things as, the glass half full. I want to kind of squeeze things down because the price has been down around this area before. And in fact, it didn't even go as low as it's been before, which was down there around 12.5 cents. Now, that doesn't necessarily guarantee anything, but my point here was, yes, it was a very rough day, but it's not like it was a total train wreck, meaning the price gapped down here and then just kept bleeding, went down to that support, and then just continued on down and blasted through there. It did gap down, but at least it went sideways. Again, I realize that if you're somebody that bought right there, that probably doesn't mean much. But again, taking a step back and looking at things from the broader point of view, at least it's a rational thought to think, all right, well, maybe, just maybe, it's bottomed out and it can make another move upwards. Now, of course, that's not guaranteed to happen, but is that at least valid? Is that at least rational? Absolutely. Whereas, let's say the price did gap down and then just kept going like this, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this might be some sort of bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? All the price is doing is going down. But that's not the case here. It's at least gone sideways. So we'll see if that leads to anything or not. But like I said, disappointing day, yes. Very crazy how fast things can turn around. But I guess what I'm really saying here is it could have been a whole lot worse. But point being, 12.5 cents now going to be a very important level of support to watch moving forward. If there is any sort of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted bounces in the upwards direction, as far as resistance levels, 16 cents is going to be that first one. Then the next key level up there at that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, which is at the 17-cent mark. So overall, rough day. Could have been a whole lot worse, but we'll see how things play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.